let's look at this. Don't worry, I will explain it to you in a way you will understand this, okay? When you see something like this, you see 30-degree and 60-degree in trigonometry, be excited, be happy, because they are special angles. All you just need to do is to remember the diagram of a special angle. The diagram is like this. Okay, here is 30, here is 60, here is 1, here is 2, here is square root of 3. Remember this diagram. Your problem will be solved, okay? So, now that I remember the diagram, that is the first thing I will do. I will come back here to put sine. They say sine x, and x is 30. I will put 30 plus, they say cos s, another 30, cos 30 all over. They say sine y, that is sine 60 plus cos y, that is cos 60. So that is the second thing I will do. Okay? Then the next thing now is I need to now ask myself from this diagram, what is sine 30? Remember Choquatoire. Okay? Choquatoire, that is, for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite, this line that is facing this 30, which is 1 over hypotenuse, the longest line. That is 1 over 2. Okay? Then cos 30 adjacent over hypotenuse. That is adjacent to this 30. A line that is close to the 30 that is not hypotenuse. That is this square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2. All over. We now go for the denominator. The denominator is all about 60. Sine 60. Sine 60. Opposite over hypotenuse. That is Choquatoire. Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay. Then you do for cos 60. Adjacent over hypotenuse. That's 1 over 2. That is all. What is remaining here now is just arithmetic plus solved because of the square roots. So this numerator, you agree with me, this and this is the LCM. Then we can say 1 plus square root of 3 all over. You agree with me, this and this, 2 here, square root of 3 plus 1. This is LCM. You know that in primary school. Okay? Children, you say this over 2 multiplied by 2 over square root of 3 plus 1. We have to flip this because we want to change this to times. We flip this, okay? This and this will cancel. We now have 1 plus square root of 3 over square root of 3 plus 1. Still the same thing. Either I do it like this or like this. So what I will do now, I will rearrange it and put 1 plus square root of 3 for this because it's the same. And you agree with me that this and this you cancel, you're going to have 1. Therefore, our answer is 1.